Happy September 10th, theorists. Your cherry bomb trade is in today, and we revisit the Qs, which was a non-cherry bomb trade from a couple days ago that I put on when the IV rank was 10 points higher than it is now. QQQs, of course, is an ETF that tracks the NASDAQ, and it has a 4 out of 4 score for liquidity. Remember, those little drops there are equivalent to the stars that Tastyworks assigned. I just think of liquidity with drops. Anyway, you get the idea. We're going to go a little neutral today. When I say a little neutral, we are slightly bearish in today's position, as you will see. But this is a pretty high probability iron condor, and I think you might like it. So if you're interested in putting the Qs on, because I don't know about you, if you did my non-cherry bomb trade up from Tuesday, then I already took it off. So I don't mind getting back into Qs. And even if I didn't, you remember that IRA places where we put on our sort of theories, right? All right, everybody, let's just say hello. Let's get rid of that screen because, yeah, I got to get another monitor. Anyway, hi, I'm Neil, and this is Option Theory, where we put our theories to the test. So if you're new here, the best thing you can do besides subscribing to the channel is head on down to that description, click the link there for the Cherry Bomb email list, go over to Tasty Trade's email sign-up page, and grab their emails because they are good, right? And that's what we're testing out here. Plus our other ideas, right? We're more than just cherry bombs. But anyway, yeah. So let's head on in and build this trade. So you can see the risk profile is here, and that's what we're looking at. I guess I get a little ahead of the game, but we are going to Qs. We're going to be in the October monthly expiration with 36 days as of today, September 10th, right? We're going to build out an iron condor, which is going to give us 64 cents, which is just about that 1/3 the width of the strikes, right? So that is we'll give you the shorts because that one makes sense to me. The 304 call is short and the 243 put is short. And we buy our insurance or reinsurance, I guess, if you would. We buy insurance, $2 out from that. So the 306 is our long call and the 241 is going to be our long put to define our risk. All right, so that's the trade there. And we're going to head on over here to the risk profile. I've set the date to expiration, and therefore I can see the market maker move, expected move for this, right? And over till expiration. And I've set the slices to break even. So we're looking at a 64% probability of ending up on or between these two gold lines. And let's call it 20% right on either side. All right, those are some pretty good odds, right? What's our max profit, of course, is $64, the credit that we receive. So we would look to manage it when we gets to be about $32 or worth 32 cents. So we're hoping for either a drop in IV or for just time to pass. And you can see here, like we said in the beginning, we are slightly bearish because we're not centered. So should the Qs move down today, wink, wink, right? It might a little bit, right? We would make a whole whopping $3, right? Remember, iron condors are cruise ships. They're slow moving. Unless you have a rapid dive in volatility, like at an earnings event, right? You don't really see, I think, a rapid profit in iron condors. All right, so with that, let's right-click this trade. Let's choose confirm and send to review our profit and loss. Don't go into trades not understanding this, along with the probabilities of making that stuff, those profits or those losses, right? All right, so I'm gonna hit send. That's gonna throw that in over to my working orders. And if you tuned into yesterday's trade, yesterday's trade, crude light, we were up $170 at some point, and there was a large part of me that wanted to take that off. I'm curious if you put on crude light yesterday, the futures trade, in your simulated trading portfolio. Did you take it off yet? Did you leave it on? Let me know in the comments below if you're feeling sassy enough to leave a comment. All right, everybody, that's it. If you've made it this far, high fives to you. Thanks so much. If you wouldn't mind high-fiving me back by smashing that like button, and if you are new here or you have yet to subscribe, if you're liking what you're getting here, would you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you're notified when our videos come out? I always appreciate any comments that you leave, so I do my best to get back to them. There are a few that have asked me some questions. I am working on it, I promise. Thank you so much. I will see you again in tomorrow's final cherry bomb trade of the week. Until then, happy trading.